Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jaguar I-PACE versus the Audi Q4 e-tron. The I-PACE boasts a robust 394 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Its 90 kilowatt-hour battery provides a competitive range. In contrast, the Q4 e-tron delivers up to 295 horsepower, achieving 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, and features an 82 kilowatt-hour battery. We will explore how these power differences translate to real-world driving. Moving inside, the Jaguar I-PACE presents a luxurious cabin with its Pivi Pro dual-screen infotainment system, offering intuitive control. The Audi Q4 e-tron counters with a sophisticated interior, highlighted by its 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a user-friendly central touchscreen. Both models integrate comprehensive driver assistance features, ensuring a safe and connected driving experience. We will examine the comfort and technological sophistication each vehicle provides. When it comes to practicality, the I-PACE offers 25.3 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, expanding significantly with them folded. The Q4 e-tron is close behind with 24.8 cubic feet, providing ample room for daily needs. On the road, both vehicles offer a refined driving experience, balancing comfort with engaging handling. We will discuss how their dimensions and suspension setups contribute to their overall maneuverability and ride quality. Finally, let's consider value. The Jaguar I-PACE typically starts around $73,000, reflecting its premium positioning and performance. The Audi Q4 e-tron, often beginning around $50,000, offers a compelling entry into the luxury EV market. Both come with competitive warranties and potential tax incentives. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities for performance, luxury, and budget. Be sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.